Hello YouTube friend, welcome back to the Newcar TV channel. Don't forget to like, comments, subscribe and share.
The GT Ram 1500 package reportedly includes Mopar goods. Ram will fill the gap between the Hellcat-powered TRX 702 horsepower and the rest of the 1500 range with an option package called GT, according to the latest report. It is expected to make its debut for the 2022 model year. The Mopar Insider's fan website is aware from an unnamed source that the GT package will be available on Sport, Rebel and Laramie models. While it won't give the TRX the chills, it will add a cold air intake system from the Mopar catalog, a 3.92 rear axle and a dedicated exhaust system. A special GT exterior sticker and what Ram refers to as the Sport Performance Hood, most likely with vents, will add a sporty touch to the design. Inside, the GT spec truck will ditch the standard 1500's knee-high shift dial to support console-mounted gear selectors like the DRX and paddle shift. Leather on the steering wheel, 4 console, power adjustable front bucket seats, LED footwell lights and package-specific trim pieces are also on the list of upgrades included in the package. There is a memory function to store the seat, radio and mirror settings of your choice as well. However, if you can't find a comfortable position by moving the driver's seat in 8 directions, you can also adjust the pedals electronically. What remains to be seen is how much it costs Ram to add a GT package to a Sport, Rebel or Laramie truck. Has not announced that the bundle is on the way, let alone disclosed pricing or availability information. If the reports are accurate, we hope that additional details about the more sporty 1500s will emerge in the next few months. Thank you for watching this channel, wait for the next video and don't forget to like, comments and subscribe.